This is a full end-to-end retrieval-augmented generation system that I have built for myself to understand and implement RAG in a practical production-style setup. Let me start from the front end. When I click on Upload Document, I can fill in the required document details through a ReactJS frontend running locally on my desktop. I can fill in all required details and choose the file from my desktop that needs to be uploaded. And I'll choose the MPDF file and click on Upload Document. You can immediately see that the document has been uploaded successfully and it is now visible on the front end. Now, let me move to the backend processing layer. As soon as the document is uploaded, a real-time processor running on Azure Container Apps is triggered through a webhook. This processor picks up the document from Azure Blob storage. It extracts the relevant information from the PDF, splits the content into meaningful chunks, and then generates the embedding for each chunk. Now, let me quickly show you the storage layer. Here in Azure Blob Storage, you can see how the documents are stored in hierarchical structure, organized by client and document type. The uploaded document should be there based on some document followed by a random ID, and you can see the uploaded document. Now let me try to find out the phrase from the document, for which I'll be asking a question to my chat service. And I'm asking a question about the burglary and theft. Based on the question input by the user, the LLM will generate a contextual accurate response and sends it back to the user in real time. In the backend, the RAG chat service running on Azure Container Apps converts my question into embeddings and performs a semantic similarity search against the Azure AI Search. The most relevant document chunks are retrieved and passed along with the user's question to the LLM. In addition to this, the Cosmos DB is used to store document metadata such as document details, etc. You can see when I click on document and items, and here is all the key value pairs of the metadata of the document. Here in Azure AI Search, it is actually holding the vectorized document context inside its indexes. Overall, the system demonstrates a complete RAG pipeline from document ingestion and processing to semantic search and AI-powered question answering built using modern cloud native and AI services.